So it's day 8. We picked up an extra crew. There's Nathaniel. And we're on our way from St. Andrews to St. John. Started seeing some freighters. Beautiful day for sailing. Action.
I'm sailing! I'm sailing!
Keep sailing, Nat. Keep sailing. Beautiful day for sailing. Point Macro.
You're not going any further than the reversion call. Double money coming. Double this. We have no forward traffic. Call again once again.
John, see the big white tanks up there? That's the Irving Tank Farm. See them?
Now.
Stand up. See little white blips just up to the right of the see those white blips?
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's the oil refinery.
The theme every time something happens, you go clinkies with the beer.
It's tea time aboard Monk's Nest. Boatload of crazy tourists coming out of St. John. Olsen Cove, ladies and gentlemen. Coming into St. John. Partridge Island, historical immigration station, and quarantine.